Hey guys, welcome back to Tumbling Sky. It's me, Skyylar, no Chloe. So I'm gonna be showing you guys something very special. I made my own iPad case, so all you have to use for it, you can make it very easily by yourself. You just have to use like you could get these little fuzzy balls from Target, and then same with these googly eyes. And then if you already have hot glue, then you have to use that to glue these the eyeballs on and the fluffy balls. And so what I used is hot glue, the eyeballs and fluffy balls. And if you already have your old iPad case, then just use that. So I just used my old iPad case. And also just have supervision. So, cause if you're like my age, then you can't use hot glue by yourself, cause you might burn yourself. And then I also did the front, and I just used small little fluffy balls. So it still works too, and it's still. But if you like be very fast with the hot glue, then you might like put the hot glue might get inside the iPad case and it might not close like this, because there is hot glue there. And so the hot glue is making it bounce off. And so yeah, that's basically all. And if you have an iPad case like my iPad case had a hole in the center. So, and make sure that you don't cover up the little spaces, because it has like your camera, your on and off button, your earphones, then everything you need basically. And so yeah, that's it. So make sure you go hit the subscribe button, like, and comment down below, and keep on tumbling. Bye!